Hello, in front of me I have Fossil Hybrid HR, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. To change the watch face on this device, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Fossil Hybrid smartwatch application. Once the devices are paired, open the application on your phone. In the application, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the customization icon right here in the middle. And on this page, you can see we have some profiles and we can scroll through them by swiping left and right on the screen. To change the watch face, we need to tap on the settings icon on one of the profiles right here. Then select My Faces. And here we have the list of watch faces we can apply on our watch. You can scroll through it by swiping left and right, of course. Select the watch face you like, then tap on the Apply button. Once you apply the watch face, basically it will create a new profile, as you can see. We have daily, travel, fitness, and the activity. And the activity profile has this watch face. You can then tap on Apply to apply this profile on your watch, and it's gonna change your watch face, basically, like this. You can also customize some watch faces or create your own. To do it, tap on the settings icon, and then tap on My Faces, I believe. Here tap on the plus button. And here basically we can customize or make a custom watch face. We can select the type of the background. Like this, or maybe this one. Then we can change the type of the text and the color of it. Next, we can add stickers if you want. Basically, here you have stickers menu and you can add some stickers on your watch face. To do it, simply tap on one to add it, and you can move it, delete it, like that. Next option is background. As I can see, we can select some backgrounds right here. You can also use your own picture basically as a watch face. So you can tap on this camera icon. You can tap on this icon right here to open this menu, and you have two options: photo library and take photo. So if you select photo library, you will be able to take or select a photo from your phone, from the gallery. And if you select take photo, you can take a photo with camera and use that as a watch face. I'm gonna select photo library, find the folder, for example album 1, open it, select the picture, and here we have a preview how it would look like. We can frame this image. Basically, we can make this frame around either bigger or smaller. Basically, whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area, it's gonna be on your watch face, and you can crop the image. So, oh my bad, I closed it by mistake. So, oh no, library, album, and photos, and you can basically move this frame. Whatever is gonna be in this frame, you can. It's gonna be on your watch face. You have like basically preview here, and you can make it smaller, bigger, move around, and stuff like that. Customize this, and once you're done, you can also change the type of the filter, I guess I would call it, like that. Find the one that suits you, and when you're done customizing this, you can tap on choose, and here we have our picture. Basically, we have a preview how it will look like. Then we can also tap on this option to add some features, some widgets, for example. I would say that. And you can basically press and hold on one and drag it to the watch face to place it on the watch face, and then you can move it around if you want to. And if you want to delete it, simply press and hold on one and drag it to the bottom, like that. Let's add some So let's add some steps, maybe second time zone. Oh, come here. Second time zone, like that. Heart rate, and maybe a battery, like this. Okay, and once you're done customizing your watch face, tap on this check mark right here. Then tap on set. For some reason it doesn't want to. Okay, let's try now. Oh, we need to select the city for the second time zone, my bad. To do it, let's tap on it, I believe. Not sure how to. Oh, here. We can select the second time zone, and here select the choose city. And for example, let's select something like I don't know, something random. So let's scroll, boom, like this. And then we can tap on the check mark to apply our watch face. Okay, and again, it creates a new preset, as you can see, new profile. You can tap right here to name it. And once you're done, simply tap on apply to apply your profile on the watch. So let's wait, and here we have it. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.